All right, it's time for some smoothies. Yeah, I'm back at my home base and I have my blender. So I'm gonna have some blueberries with some protein, some protein powder, some yogurt, a banana, some freeze-dried strawberries from Thrivalist. Throw some of those in there, a little bit of peanut butter. Yeah, that's breakfast today. Let's blend. Yummy. All right, I have one more to put together. This is that ladder shelf or bookcase. Just like that one over there. Yeah. All right, probably take me about, what, an hour? There it is. Now I can hang up some of my art. Not really sure where it's gonna go yet. Have the drum. And I have the guitar. Let's see. Don't know yet. Tonight, I am cooking a pizza with some naan bread. I've got it in there to crisp up a little bit. And just gonna use some spaghetti sauce. I cooked some Italian sausage. I have some pepperoni, some black olives, and some cheese. And I'm gonna go get me an onion after Deborah gets here, because I am not leaving this food for this little girl. Yeah, she's like, oh, I could almost reach it. Isn't that right? You could almost reach it? Yeah, you could almost reach it. All right, I'm going to start building this pizza. Pizza. And then I'll build another one. I have some salad I think I want with mine. So salad and pizza. All right, it's going in. Oh, ow. Oh, ow. Oh, ow, that was hot. That metal right there is hot. There's your pizza.
Ooh.
You want me to cut it?
Uh-huh.
You want salad?
Oh, I can do it while because you're filming.
You want salad?
Well, I don't know.
Okay. Where have you been, garlic jalapeno? I left you here. You should have gone with me on the road. You're going with me on the road this time. You can get this from Big T Spice Company. Link down below. I'll love this on my pizza. Easy, be easy.